Well, most dentists that don't have the opportunity to have dental laboratories in their practice will have to go ahead and send it out to dental laboratories either locally in their town, or they'll have to ship it out to other places around the country, if not out of the country as well. But everything we do is made not only here in the U.S., but made here in Delray Beach and made here in our office. I feel like we have a lot of advantages when we have our own in-house dental laboratories. We have the technician that's able to come in and speak to the patient, look at the patient, look at characteristics that the patient has as far as color and shape and things like that, that really give the ceramist or the artist a better picture of what he's going to have to sit there and create. Another big advantage that I find from having the dental laboratories in the office is that when I take an impression, that impression is poured within the next 30 minutes of me taking the impression. In the olden days, when I sent that impression out to another laboratory, it could be up to 3 or 4 days before that impression would be poured. And there's always chance of some sort of distortion. My ultimate goal and vision of having the dental laboratories in the office is that when we make a crown, the normal dental visit to make a crown would be about 2.5 weeks before you actually cement that cap or crown in place, in which the patient's going to wear temporary for that amount of time. Now that we have the dental lab, porcelain dental lab in the office, we're hoping to minimize that time down to about 5 days. As far as the dentures are concerned, there's no real temporaries that are needed, but we'd like to make a denture in about 5 days as well.